This video is going to cover some of the more important basics of optimizing your WordPress post for search engines. Now in this video we're going to cover a few things. One, we're going to create an optimized post after we install a free plugin that's going to help us with our optimization goals for our search engines. And we're going to change the permalink structure of our WordPress site that will further optimize all the posts that we create from that point on. Now there's a ton of great SEO plugins, but only a few excellent plugins that are free. My personal favorite is the WordPress SEO plugin by Yoast. But the one I'm going to demonstrate in this video is the all-in-one SEO pack that you can find at wordpress.org. Now the main reason why I'm doing this plugin instead of the Yoast plugin is because the popularity of this one is a little more than that of the WordPress SEO plugin by Yoast. The all-in-one SEO plugin has a little under 18 million downloads, where the Yoast has a little over 9 million downloads. So just based on that alone, we're going to stick with the all-in-one SEO plugin. But before we install and activate and configure the plugin, let's go ahead and log into our dashboard area. And I've already done so here, but if you haven't or have never logged into your admin area or dashboard area, just put the URL to your WordPress site up here in the address bar, follow that with a /wp-admin, hit enter on your keyboard, and then enter the login credentials that it asks for in the box that pops up next. Then you come on over here to the settings option over in the main menu, and then in the flyout menu, click on permalinks. And by default, this is what all of your post links look like. They got the URL to your WordPress site, /, a question mark, a P, which I think stands for post, equals, and then the post number. Not very search engine friendly at all, and for that matter, me as a human being looking at this URL doesn't tell me anything. But it would tell me a lot if I looked at this and it gave me the title of the post right here. That would tell me right off the bat what this particular URL was referring to, and search engines love that as well. Now, how would we do that? Well, pretty simple. Come on down here and click on the radio button for post name as far as the permalink structure is concerned. Now, if you're familiar with the different code snippets for your own custom permalink structure, then by all means go to town, put in here whatever you want. My suggestion though would be to stick with just the post name, and it automatically populates what needs to be in here for the post name to show up at the end of your URL from now on. And then you come on down here and click on Save Changes. Now then, we want to head over to the plugins department and install our new plugin. So click on the Add New link that flies out when you hover over the plugins link in the main menu. Type in here All-in-One SEO Pack, and then click on Search Plugins. Should be the very top one that pops up. Click on Install Now. Click on OK, and then click on Activate. Now up here at the very top is where your All-in-One SEO link is going to be showing up. And you've got a few options that pop out here in the flyout. We're really only going to be interested in the general settings right now, and by default the general settings module right at the top is pretty fine just the way that it is. For more advanced users, you can go ahead and adjust these however you like. But the next module, the home page settings, is what you really need to pay attention to. You want to put in the title to your website here, you want to put in a description of your website here, and keywords here. Keywords are what people would normally type into the search engine box looking for your site. Now these keywords should also be part of the title as well as part of the description. That's what they're referring to when they say keyword rich. And if you want more information on what they might be looking for in these various options, you've got the question mark right here that you can click on, get this little pop down help box, and you also have the help section right here as well. It takes you directly to the plugin creator page for additional information on the entire plugin. But if we scroll on down here, most of this stuff is fine just the way that it is right out of the box. And coming on down here and clicking on Update Options. And that's basically all you need to do as far as configuring the all-in-one SEO pack to get you going in the right direction. Now let's go ahead and create us an optimized post by clicking on the Post link and Add New. You want to enter a keyword-rich title and a keyword-rich content area here for the body of your post. And I'm just copying and pasting this from another document. But I'm going to go ahead and add an image here, and with images as well as the content, you can also optimize those for search engine results as well. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just put the cursor wherever you want to add the image, click on Add Media, select from the images or media in the media library, or add your own, dragging and dropping. And with that image selected, make sure that the title and the alt text are keyword rich and related to that image as well as the content of that post. And you can also adjust the alignment here, and I usually do not link this anywhere outside of the actual WordPress post, and you can adjust the size as well. The best way to optimize images is to not rely on WordPress to adjust the size, but adjust the size of the image prior to bringing it into your WordPress post. And that's just a basic normal procedure of creating a post. Where the all-in-one SEO pack plugin comes in at is below the body of the post right here. We want to put in a keyword-rich title, keyword-rich description, and a list of keywords right here, comma separated. So I just copied the actual title from above. I'm going to paste that in there. And these keywords, I'm just going to copy those and paste those in the tag box here on the right column. Click on Add. And I'd also want to put it in a related category if I had one, or create a new one if I didn't have one already. And this preview snippet is basically what it's going to look like in the search engine results when somebody types in one of the appropriate keywords that is part of this particular post. Now, right now, this is a demonstration of what the original permalink structure would show, but let me go ahead and publish this. Then come on down here, and you can see what it looks like now after we've changed the permalink structure to a post name. The search engines are going to love this, and as a human looking at this URL, I can tell right away a little bit more about what I'm going to be looking at whenever I click on this link. Okay, let's look at what we've covered in this video. We've installed the all-in-one SEO pack plugin. We've changed the permalinks to be more search engine and human friendly, and created a post that is optimized for search engines, including the image. Now, these are just some of the things that you can do to optimize your WordPress site for search engines. That's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.